If you run a search today, you will notice the bedrock of the internet is disintegrating, the familiar page of 10 blue links. For decades, developers structured code to win that page. They stuffed keywords, chased backlinks, and optimized every heading for human clicks. Today, building infrastructure for that system is like laying roads for a ghost town. We are officially operating in the zero-click internet. Users no longer comb through multiple websites to piece together information. They submit a complex query to an AI, and they receive a single synthesized answer. The goal for your application is no longer to rank on the first page of search results. The goal is to be the source of that single answer. If you continue relying on traditional SEO architecture, you are actively building web applications that modern discovery systems simply cannot see. Traditional search engine optimization was an exercise in persuasion. You structured data to convince a search algorithm to rank your hyperlink high enough that a human user would click it. The new engineering standard replaces this entirely. It is called Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. With AEO, the primary objective is not to generate traffic to your domain. The objective is to earn a direct citation as the factual source of truth within an AI's response. This flowchart illustrates the underlying mechanism. When a user asks a question, an AI engine triggers a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, pipeline. It casts a wide net across web servers, scraping disparate blocks of text back into a central processing node in milliseconds. The RAG system immediately tokenizes this extracted content. It cross-references these specific tokens against other sources to determine the factual density of your information. In a fraction of a microsecond, the algorithm decides whether your data block is reliable enough to append as a citation link at the bottom of its generated paragraph. If your web application lacks the structural formatting required for this specific ingestion process, the AI skips you and cites a competitor's data instead. Your unoptimized app is effectively erased from the modern web. Building for answer engine optimization requires a rigorous audit of your tech stack. The most common architectural mistake engineers make right now is an over-reliance on client-side rendering, or CSR. CSR frameworks are excellent for humans. They deliver sleek JavaScript animations, instant state changes, and seamless interactive drop-down elements. But AI crawlers, like OpenAI Bot or Perplexity, do not browse the web like humans. They do not trigger interactive UI events, and they do not click accordion menus to reveal hidden text. Here is the reality. Left, the fully rendered interface human users see. Right, exactly what an AI crawler sees. A stark black terminal with an empty div tag. AI prioritizes speed. It will not wait for your complex DOM to resolve or client-side data fetching. By locking your core application data behind client-side JavaScript, you render your entire platform blank and completely non-existent to machine intelligence. To eliminate this crawler blind spot, you must shift your architecture to server-side rendering, or SSR. Your server must process the data first and deliver a clean, fully populated HTML document directly to the client on the very first network request. This structured HTML is how AI navigates. Crawlers immediately scan your heading tags, the H1s, H2s, and H3s. These hierarchies form a programmatic map of parent-child relationships. Without this semantic hierarchy, crawlers cannot differentiate primary topics from secondary context, and your data loses its meaning. Semantic HTML is the fundamental navigation system required for machine intelligence to read and categorize an application. Clean HTML is the foundation, but AEO requires another mandatory layer of architecture: JSON-LD schema markup. Schema markup eliminates all contextual ambiguity. It explicitly tells the scanning machine exactly what data type it is looking at, whether that is an article, a product description, or an FAQ. This graphic demonstrates how JSON-LD acts as a direct translation layer. Key value pairs in your code wire straight into the data ingestion pipeline of an AI agent. By explicitly defining these structures, you ensure the AI does not misinterpret the factual context of your information. If you omit JSON-LD, the AI has to guess the purpose of your data. Forcing a machine to guess drastically lowers your probability of earning a citation. Once your backend architecture is optimized, you have to look at how the actual data is formatted. For years, developers and marketers wrote bloated 2,000-word essays, artificially extending content just to increase a user's time on page. Large language models operate under strict mechanical constraints known as token limits. Bury answers in massive text blocks, and the system hits its token budget, triggering an error and discarding your content. The solution is the 50-word rule. The direct, dense factual answer must exist in the very first 50 words, immediately following a semantic heading. Providing these structured, surgical snippets allows the LLM to instantly verify and extract your data before processing constraints force a timeout. When we pull back from the granular code, the broader implications for systems engineering become clear. Historically, web development focused exclusively on building visual interfaces for human eyes. Today, that singular focus is insufficient. As this animation shows, modern web applications must operate simultaneously as graphical user interfaces and raw data pipelines. The combined architecture of server-side rendering, Semantic HTML, and JSON-LD feeds this pipeline efficiently, stripping away friction. The new operational standard is clear. Developers still build user interfaces for humans, but they must now build APIs for AI agents. Treating a website solely as a visual medium is an architectural failure in an ecosystem driven by artificial intelligence. The directive for engineers is straightforward. Audit your platforms immediately. Strip away the unnecessary JavaScript bloat that blocks crawlers from accessing your core content. Migrate your data-hazy application views away from client-side rendering and implement robust server-side rendering frameworks. Enforce strict JSON-LD schema markup across every critical answer-providing data point. Your objective this week is to select a current project from your portfolio and completely restructure its core data to ensure perfect LLM crawlability. Mastering answer engine optimization is the precise technical path required to ensure your work survives, ranks, and is actively referenced on the modern web.